Why does Senator Robin Padilla draw comparisons between former Presidents Duterte and Marcos? And how does he respond to the Netherlands' involvement in the arrest of Duterte? During the April 10th, 2025, Senate hearing on the arrest of former President Rodrigo Duterte by the International Criminal Court, ICC, Senator Robin Padilla made strong statements. He compared Duterte's situation to that of former President Ferdinand Marcos Sr., questioning why Duterte, like Marcos, was subjected to unfair treatment by foreign powers. He emphasized that both leaders faced international scrutiny, but Duterte's arrest involved another level of interference from abroad. Padilla specifically addressed the Netherlands, where the ICC is headquartered, criticizing the country's role in the legal proceedings. He accused the Dutch government of keeping Duterte by continuing to push forward with legal actions against him. Padilla argued that while the Philippines had distanced itself from the ICC, the Netherlands was persistently pursuing Duterte's prosecution, which he believed was politically motivated. He stated, "Is it right for a foreign country to intervene in the internal matters of the Philippines? Is it fair that Duterte is being treated as a criminal without due process in our land?" Padilla questioned the legitimacy of the ICC's jurisdiction over Philippine affairs. However, Padilla seemed to overlook some key points. He didn't address Duterte's support for China, which became a significant issue during his administration, particularly regarding the West Philippine Sea conflict. While Duterte was in Malacanang, he appointed 3 left-leaning cabinet members with communist ties, which was a bold political move that many found controversial. Furthermore, before Duterte distanced himself from Jose Maria Sison, he made commitments regarding the Communist Party and its involvement in the country's politics, which Padilla did not bring up. Instead, Padilla focused on labeling the Netherlands as a land of communist-supporting people, claiming that the Dutch were trying to interfere with the Philippines' sovereignty by supporting the ICC's prosecution of Duterte. This view seemed to disregard the complexities of Duterte's relationships with both China and left-wing factions in the Philippines. Padilla's statements sparked a heated debate on the balance between national sovereignty and international law. His comments emphasized a growing tension regarding the Philippines' relationship with foreign nations and international legal bodies like the ICC. His rhetoric raised questions about whether foreign countries should be able to intervene in the Philippines' internal political matters, especially when it comes to holding leaders accountable for human rights violations. Padilla also drew a comparison between Duterte and Marcos Sr., highlighting how both leaders fought against the Communist Party of the Philippines. Despite their efforts to protect the nation, Padilla pointed out that both were punished by the Philippines in the end. Marcos Sr. was exiled, and now Duterte faces legal consequences from the international community. This reflection added weight to his argument that the Philippines may be unfairly punishing leaders who were fighting for national interests, particularly in their efforts to combat communism. As we listen to such statements, we must ask ourselves, should Filipinos continue to vote for leaders like Robin Padilla, who may have gained popularity due to showbiz fame but lack the necessary experience or qualifications to effectively legislate? Or should we elect individuals who have a solid background in law and governance, with the expertise to create laws that serve the interests of the nation? The choice is ours, and it's up to us to decide what kind of leaders we want to represent us in the future. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AngKampanero, Tinig ng Katotohanan, Tunog ng Kasaysayan for more in-depth discussions on Philippine history and current affairs.